Mateo the Turtle packs his gear, off on adventures far and near. With the brush, a troll, and shovel too, he digs up stories old and new. Dig, 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 what will we find? Pieces of history left behind. Mateo the Turtle shows the way, discovering the past today. Whoa. He calls the botanists, come take a look. These seeds are older than any book. The zoologist says bones in the ground, animals from the past we found. Dig, 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 what will we find? Pieces of history left behind. Mateo the Turtle shows the way, discovering the past today. Whoa, whoa. With the geologists by his side, they study the earth where secrets hide. Maps and notes, careful hands, learning the story of far-off lands. Brush it gently, hold it slow. Step by step is how we know. Treasures buried deep in sand, now revealed by a steady hand. Bright day, the team all cheers. A treasure lost for 1,000 years. Gold and jewels, but more than that, the story's told of where we're at. Dig, 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 what did we find? Pieces of history left behind. Mateo the Turtle leads the way, and with his team they shout, hooray! Brush, dig, map, and read. Archaeology's what